In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove discounts and DashPass benefits on DoorDash before you order. Sometimes you need to place a full price order, maybe for reimbursement or to meet a spending requirement, and DoorDash automatically applies a promo voucher or DashPass savings. Here's how to make sure those discounts don't slip in at checkout. Start by opening the DoorDash app and heading to your cart or checkout screen. If you're still browsing, add the items you want, then tap View Cart or Checkout at the bottom to see your order summary. This is where you'll find any active promotions or benefits that could reduce your total. On the checkout screen, scan for anything labeled promotion, offer, credit, voucher, or DashPass savings. These can appear as a line item under your subtotal, often showing a negative amount like a discount on delivery fees or a percentage off. If there's a promo code attached, you may see an edit or apply button next to it. Tap into that area to manage what's being applied. To remove a discount, deselect or remove it before you place the order. That could mean toggling off a promotion, tapping remove or clear next to a code, or unchecking a voucher or credit so it doesn't apply. If the app prompts you to confirm, accept the change. You should immediately see your subtotal and total update to reflect full price. Take a second to verify that any negative discount lines have disappeared. If the discount you're seeing is coming from an active DashPass membership, like free delivery or reduced service fees, you'll need to manage those benefits from your account. Go to Account Settings, then select Manage DashPass. From there, you can cancel the subscription or adjust any available benefit settings so those automatic savings stop applying to future orders. Keep in mind that cancelling DashPass ends those perks across all orders, and changes may take effect at the next billing cycle, depending on your plan. If you still want DashPass for other times, consider whether you want to pause or adjust benefits rather than fully cancel, based on the options you see. Before you finalize anything, always double-check your order, subtotal, and total. Make sure the discount has been removed and the price reflects what you intend to pay. If you still see a promo or DashPass savings listed, go back one step and remove it again. That's it. Open your cart, spot the promotion, remove it, and manage DashPass if needed. With these steps, you stay in control of exactly what you're paying at checkout,